Ever wonder why so many seemingly perfect students miss out on scholarships? It's often the essay, especially if it reads like every other AI-generated application. Last year, scholarship reviewers spotted hundreds of essays with the same bland wording, a dead giveaway that a computer wrote them. The surprise is this: if you try to cheat by asking ChatGPT to write your essay, committees will catch it. Many programs now flag copy-pasted AI essays as plagiarism. Ouch, right? The good news is, AI isn't all bad news. Used correctly, it can actually help you write a winning essay. Here's the catch. Some students think, I'll just have AI write it for me and push a button. But scholarship experts say that's a huge mistake. That's like hiring a robot to deliver your love letter. It won't capture your real feelings. Universities and foundations consider handing over your story to AI as unethical as plagiarism. They know you lived your own challenges, not an algorithm. At the same time, just staring at a blank page isn't great either. The truth is, AI can save you time if you use it wisely. Think of it as a brainstorming partner or editor, not the author. So what's the secret sauce? Follow these expert-backed steps. Analyze the prompt carefully. Don't start with AI. First, break down the essay question yourself. Underline keywords and make sure you know what it really asks for. AI can help clarify later, but you should be sure first. Next, brainstorm with AI. Once you know the prompt, ask AI for ideas. For example, ChatGPT, list personal experiences that show leadership for my scholarship essay. AI can spit out suggestions, but don't take them at face value. These are just seeds for your own story. Now, create an outline. Use AI to organize your thoughts into a structure, an intro hook, a few body points, and a conclusion. Again, you might say, AI, outline an essay about overcoming adversity. It will give a framework. Use those ideas in your own words. Write your draft yourself. Now write the essay in your own voice using that outline. Pull in the story you know best. AI is not writing this part. It's you explaining your experiences. As the Community Foundation Guide emphasizes, it must come from you. Use AI to polish grammar and clarity. After your draft is done, then use AI one more time to proofread. Ask it to check spelling, grammar, or suggest simpler wording. This is safe and helpful. AI is great at making sentences smoother, but be sure the final tone still sounds like you. If something AI suggests feels off, just reword it so it's natural. Think of AI like a car's GPS. It can help you find a route, but you still need to drive. Imagine two students, Sam and Alex. Sam tells AI, write my scholarship essay. The result is a perfectly folded essay, but it lands him in the reject pile. Alex, on the other hand, asked AI for topic ideas and used it to check grammar. She wrote the essay herself. Guess who won? Alex did. So remember, use AI to help, not to do the work for you. Try these tips on your next essay. If you found this useful, comment below with one way you'll use AI on your draft. In part 2, we'll look at sample prompts. For now, keep practicing your writing. Your genuine voice is your strongest asset. Scholarships and grants.us